you an outcast. Always running attack, always running attack. So running the vast, so those are everything. Falls on pass, falls on pass, falls on pass. And the souls are back. Nah. Wherever I see freaking victims trying to steal credit cards like a criminal. This is where I'm coming now. Would I ever say this is coming now? When I never give it up now. I didn't put it in all the bad, it wasn't off on me. And there is nothing to explain. I didn't put it in all the bad, it wasn't off on me. And there is nothing to explain. Yeah, you an outcast. Yeah, I'm running for the hell of it. I see freaking instruction, this is coming now. Season pass, I've been inspired from Kid Rock right now. Shout out to Kid Clay, he's a freaking goat. I'm taking the place out of it, never giving up now. I didn't know it is all the matter of it. It is darkness in me now. I didn't know it is all the matter of it. It is nothing to explain. There it is. Save yourself. I didn't know it in all the matter of me, and there is nothing to explain. I didn't know it in all the matters of me, and there is nothing to explain. I didn't know it in all the matters of me, and there is nothing to explain. I didn't know it in all the matters of me, and there is nothing to explain. I didn't know it in all the matters of me. No, there's nothing to explain. I didn't know that at all the matters of it. And there is nothing. I get an outcast. Yeah, I get it. Homework sucks. And homework freaking sucks. Oh, it freaking sucks.